Hi friends, in today's class we are going to learn about crystal structures of some ionic compounds. So these crystal structures are broadly classified into three types. They are AB and the A2B and AB2 type category. So let us see what are these types. Rock salt structure, rock salt structure, and a zinc blend ZnS structure, and third one is cesium chloride structure. So these three. The Ab2 mainly a fluoride structure, that is called fluorite structure. So example CaF2. A2B, that is called anti-fluoride structure. Anti-fluoride structure. So best example Na2. The next crystal structure is zinc blend or sphalerite. Let us see here. First find the radius ratio of Zn plus 2 to the S minus 2. That is nearly equal to 0.4. It is not more than 0.4. It is nearly equal to 0.4. So when the radius coming between 0.225 to 0.414, so which type of void is present? So that is a tetrahedral void. So this void is present. Hence, we can expect the Zn plus 2 will occupy the tetrahedral voids. First, we will see S minus 2. What about position of S minus 2? S minus 2 form, so FCC lattice. So FCC lattice means how many S minus 2 ions there per unit cell? So 4 S minus 2 ions. So next, Zn plus 2 occupied, Zn plus 2 ions occupied. So alternate tetrahedral voids. So TB means a tetrahedral voids. So S minus 2 form FCC means number of S minus 2 how many? So 4 S minus 2 ions are there. So number of lattice points are here, total 4 S minus 2. So there is a formula to find the tetrahedral voids. If the number of lattice points are n, then tetrahedral voids how many? Total 2n. The number of lattice points are 4, hence the tetrahedral voids are 8. So you know the tetrahedral voids are present on each body diagonal. So each body diagonal contains 2 tetrahedral voids. So out of 2 tetrahedral voids, one is occupied, other one is vacant. So hence, on each body diagonal, 2 tetrahedral voids are present. Out of which, so one is vacant, and the other one is filled, occupied. Here S minus 2 form FCC lattice. These are S minus 2. So these are S minus 2. They form the main lattice. FCC lattice means, so the S minus 2 ions are present at corners and the center of the face. These are S minus 2. And what about Zn plus 2? Zn plus 2 ions are present on each body diagonal. So each body diagonal generally contains how many tetrahedral voids? 2 tetrahedral voids. Let us take one body diagonal. So this is the body diagonal passing through the body and 2 corners. Here, what is this one? This is a tetrahedral void. There is a tetrahedral void here, but this is vacant. It is not occupied. Okay. On this body diagonal, 2 tetrahedral voids are there. Out of these 2, one is vacant. This is vacant, and this is occupied by zinc plus 2 ions. That is the meaning of alternate tetrahedral voids. Then the percentage occupancy of tetrahedral voids, how much? 50%. So the percentage occupancy of tetrahedral voids is 50%. So out of 8 tetrahedral voids, only 4 tetrahedral voids were occupied. So hence, the number of Zn plus 2 ions per unit cell. So per unit cell, how much? Out of 8, only 4 are occupied. That is 4. So 4 per unit cell, how many S minus 2? 4s minus 2 and 4Zn plus 2. 4Zn plus 2. So once the Zn plus 2 will occupy tetrahedral voids, then this Zn plus 2 surrounded by how many s minus 2 ions, how many spheres? Nothing but 4 spheres. Hence the coordination number of Zn plus 2 is 4. So the coordination number of Zn plus 2 is 4. Because Zn plus 2 occupied tetrahedral voids. This void is surrounded by how many spheres? 4 spheres, nothing but 4 s minus 2 ions. Hence the coordination number is 4. Like in the same way, what is the coordination number? The coordination number of s minus 2 how much? So s minus 2 present at the corner. For example, if you take the corner, so for this corner total 8 cubes are common. Out of 8 cubes, small cubes, each cube center has the tetrahedral void. So out of these 8 cubes, only alternative means only 4 cubes has the tetrahedral voids occupied by the Zn plus 2 ions. So 4 Zn plus 2 ions are there for this corner. Otherwise here for unit cell 4 Zn plus 2 and 4 s minus 2 ions are present. So hence directly you can write the coordination number of s minus 2 is 4. So what is the coordination number of 4? The coordination number of zinc sulfide how much? So number of coordination number of zinc sulfide is 4:4. So number of formula units, how many formula units are there per unit cell? So the number of formula units, the number of formula units per unit cell how much? That is 4. Because 4 Zn plus 2 combined with the 4 maximum 4 s minus 2 ions, because zinc sulfide is the neutral. So in order to balance the plus side charge, minus side charge is required. That's why 4 zinc sulfide formula units are formed per unit cell. So then what is the formula of formula of unit cell? So the formula of unit cell is Zn4 and S4. What is the distance between cation and anion? So R Zn plus 2 plus R S minus 2. Because here S minus 2 present at the corner, whereas Zn plus 2 present at the tetrahedral void. In previous video, while I was discussing the tetrahedral and octahedral voids, I clearly explained there in that video the distance between corner S minus 2 present at the corner, Zn plus 2 present at the tetrahedral void. The distance between corner and tetrahedral void is √3a by 4. So this is the distance between cation and anion. So number of formula units per unit cell is 4. So number of Zn plus 2 is 4. Number of S minus 2 ions are 4. So out of 8 tetrahedral voids, only 4 are occupied. So S minus 2 from the FCC lattice. What is the percentage occupancy of tetrahedral voids here? 50%. So these are the features of zinc blende structure. Zinc sulfide has the one more allotropy, that is woodsite. So there is one small difference between woodsite and zinc blende. So let us see what is this difference. In zinc blende, S minus 2 form FCC, whereas in woodsite, S minus 2 form HCP lattice, HCP unit cell. So that is the only difference. In zinc blende, S minus 2 form FCC, whereas in woodsite, S minus 2 form HCP lattice. So remaining all features are same, like zinc blende. Zn plus 2 occupy Zn plus 2 ions, alternate tetrahedral voids. So remaining all features are same as like zinc blende. So this diagram shows the HCP lattice. Here Zn plus 2 and S minus 2 form the HCP lattice. So the next one is cesium chloride structure. So it has the body-centered cubic structure, cesium chloride. I will tell you how it is. So there Na plus, what is the radius ratio? So 0.5 here. So top to bottom, when you go from Na plus to Cs plus, size is increases. So when cation radius increases, then what about the radius of cation to the radius of anion? It is also increases. So when radius cation increases, then the radius ratio increases. Now it is become equal to 0.9. So if the radius ratio 0.9, so it is coming between 0.732 to the 0.999. So this limit. So then which type of void we can expect in this crystal? So cubic void. So cubic voids are present. So cubic void. So cubic voids are present. So now coming to the positions of cation and anion. Here Cl minus form. So Cl minus form primitive cubic. So primitive cubic lattice. Nothing but the Cl minus ion present at only corners. So Cl minus present at corners. At corners only. So what about Cs plus? Cs plus present at center of the cube. So that is the position of cubic void, the center of the cube. Now find the number of Cl minus ions per unit cell. So the number of Cl minus ions per unit cell. So from 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8. So the number of Cl minus ions per unit cell, how much? From 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8, it is equal to how many Cl minus ions? 1 Cl minus ion. Then what about how many Cs plus ions? So the number of Cs plus ions, so per unit cell. So here the Cs plus present at the center of the cube. So that is completely belongs to one unit cell. That's why, so 1 Cs plus. Then what is the coordination number of the coordination number? The coordination number of Cs plus. So here first Cs plus. So in this diagram, so this is Cs plus. So what is this? This is Cs plus ion. Whether this red indicates, the red sphere indicates Cl minus. See here Cl minus present at only corners. See, these all are corners. So for this particular cube, so this is the center. This is the center. So this Cs plus is surrounded by how many Cl minus? Total 8. Hence the coordination number of Cs plus is 8. The other way of explaining how does the coordination number of Cs plus is 8 is, so I told you Cs plus occupied the cubic void. So what is the definition of cubic void? So the void surrounded by how many spheres? Total 8 spheres. 8 spheres means 8 Cl minus ions. So the nearest neighbors of Cs plus is 8. Directly you can tell based on the void. So you can tell directly coordination number is 8. So now come to the coordination number. The coordination number of Cl minus is, so Cl minus present at the corner. So this corner is common for how many unit cells? Total 8 unit cells. So every unit cell has the one center. Each center has the one Cs plus. These are Cs plus. So these are 8 unit cells and their centers. So these are the centers of 8 unit cells. Total around Cl minus, how many Cs plus ions are there? So total 8. So the coordination number of Cl minus also 8. Then what is the coordination number of cesium chloride is, so we have to so how can you write the coordination number of any ionic compound? Nearest neighbors of cation is to nearest neighbors of anion. 8 is to 8. So the number of formula units per unit cell, the number of formula units, so the number of cesium chloride units per unit cell is, so 1 Na plus and 1 Cs plus and 1 Cl minus ions. Cs plus and Cl minus ions. How many total? So that is 1. So the last point here, what is the distance between cation and anion? So RCs plus RCl minus. So that is only distance. When you add the radius of cation and radius of anion, that is the distance between cation and anion. So if we take this body diagonal, in this body diagonal, so two Cl minus ions are there and one Cs plus is there. So two Cl minus ions and one Cs plus, or three spheres are present along the body diagonal. The length of body diagonal is 4r, means 2 into radius of Cs plus and the radius of Cl minus is equal to, that is the length of body diagonal, that is root 3a. I want distance. This distance means RCS plus and RCl minus is root 3a by 2. So this is the distance between Cs plus and Cl minus. So these are the main important characteristics or features of the cesium chloride structure.